What up world, this your homeboy WordPlay TJ, and I'm back with another video for you. This time around, I'm gonna show you how to use MusicSupervisor.com to license your music. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we are on MusicSupervisor.com. I want to make this video as quick as possible. As you can see, I have a bunch of active tracks. I have a bunch of pending tracks, and so I've been uploading things as I've been going along. You can see that I have 583 search hits. 13 songs have been heard by music supervisors or directors, and 5 of my songs, or at least my songs, have been forwarded 5 times to directors or editors or producers on some type of television show, film, or commercial. Now, MusicSupervisor.com is really easy to use, and like I said, I want to make this video as quick and seamless as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload a track. I'm going to show you how to put all the metadata in, and ultimately, hopefully, you can get some of the same results. Now, I have a pro member account, which means that my stuff gets pitched or heard earlier. I have opportunities to pitch directly to music supervisors, and there's some other opportunities that are available there. This is not a sponsored post, so I'm not going to go too deep into what their pro benefits are. You can check that out on your own. Right now, as a hip hop artist, I'm doing a lot of instrumental tracks, so I'm going to upload some stuff. And that's something to consider. Music supervisors sometimes don't like a lot of things that have lyrics, but sometimes lyrics work, sometimes they don't. For hip hop, generally lyrics don't need to be in the song in order for you to license it. And so I'm gonna do a lot of stuff without lyrics, just hip hop instrumentals. All right, so you've seen me upload the first track. I did that as a waveform. They recommend that waveforms are the best way to upload stuff. And the first thing I want to do is create a band or composer. So I'm going to hit the plus button. And as you can see, you can fill out all of the metadata for your band or your artist information. It's important that you fill all of this out because music supervisors are going to want to see that you're active and that you're going as a professional, and that's more of a human-like connection. And so please fill out the artist, band, composer information. My information is already in this system, so I'm just going to go from there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the title. Now, there's something I've been trying with these instrumentals. And what I've been trying with these instrumentals, and I'm going to see if it works, don't know if it works right now, is I'm titling the instrumental based off of what scene I think it could go in. I believe this can be used for scene transition or some type of like sad montage. I might say sad, serious montage. So that's what it could work for. So you don't have to be that analytical about your stuff. But I'm that way, and so I recommend that if you are organized, that's a good way to know what songs are being pitched. So I'm going to go scene, transition, sad or serious, montage. I'm going to give it the title hip hop instrumental, and then I'm going to share what the song title is, Let It Go. I also think that the clean version of this song is something that I can submit, and so I'll show you what that is later. So I've added this to an album compilation. It's on my album Overtime, but I'm gonna put it in WordPlay TJ instrumentals just to kind of separate it. They also recommend that you add cover art, so I'm gonna look for that. I have some very simple cover art. It's usually a square. They recommend at least 200 by 200 pixels, 72 DPI, and less than 1 megabyte. So very small file size. Next, there's no featured artist on there, but if there were featured artists, I would want to put them there. Now, the other part of the metadata, you want to tell them whether this is an original, public domain, or cover song. This is an original song. I produced it myself, and so I'm going to keep it as original. Public domain work and cover songs need some additional licensing, so you have to have the rights to share that information, and you have to have that available for Music Supervisor to clear. Since I did most of this, I'm going to put in my information. I'm a writer for, and my affiliation is with ASCAP. I own, let's see, 100% of this instrumental. I'm gonna go with ASCAP on the map. Entertainment is the publisher, 100%. Also with ASCAP. Artist royalties, WordPlay TJ. Master royalties, WordPlay TJ. Master ownership, WordPlay TJ. Actually, no, this is wrong. Master royalties. So artist royalties is WordPlay TJ. Master royalties is my name. Forget to put that up there. / on the map music group. All right, so we're gonna go to the next step, which is the search metadata. So now we're at the search metadata, but one thing you want to do before you get started is go to this, if you have your songs released, you can go to this site called songbpm.com, songbpm.com. And in here, it will tell you generally the BPM and the key of the song. I don't have all of this memorized or written down somewhere, but I could add it in my spreadsheet if I wanted to. So the genre, hip hop, it's not lo-fi, chill, but it is a hip hop beat or instrumental. Vibe, mood is sad, maybe a little lonely, contemplative. Sounds like I don't know, this is a hard one. I may say Pharrell is a good thought in my head, something that is like kind of jazzy, a little bit live, has that type of vibe to it. The tempo, this is why I have songbpm.com, 98 BPM. So it's a mid-tempo, decade, probably 2010s, 2020s. Language, there is none because there's no vocals. Primary vocals, no vocals. Instruments, so I believe there is a piano, so like a Rhodes. There's bass guitar, drum machine, strings, sort of orchestral. Also, there are trumpets, trumpet, trombone. There are no lyrics, but if I wanted to submit the full song, I would put all of the lyrics here. The pitch. So I'm thinking about what a music supervisor needs out of a pitch, not what I want to pitch to them. So in this situation, I would say this song is best for a sad or moody transition scene. Sometimes music supervisors want to know that stems are available, so I'd say stems available upon request. I would also say that full mix available upon request. This came out 2020. Studio concept video, I don't have that. Live video URL, don't have that. Highest chart position, don't have that. And it is released, so I wouldn't check that. Make this available for all revenue opportunities. I think they're going to do some distribution here soon. I don't know if I want to do distribution. If it comes to that, I'll take it off. But right now, make it available for all opportunities. Let's go next. So now we want to give the production credit. So this was produced by me. Did 100% of production on this one. Also recorded by me. Mixed, master, executive producer. Q, Drake, all me. On the map music group. Tacoma. All right, so I skipped most of those credits, but you don't have to. You could fill most of those in. Right now, I'm gonna put in an alternative version. So let's go choose one of the full mixes. I think I have it available in here. Is it? Actually, I did not choose this one as a full mix, so that's fine. So let's not worry about that. So there's no alternative versions, but you could put one in if you wanted to. I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna preview all of this, and then I'm gonna submit the track. Once you submit, it will show up in the pending approval. Like I said before, a pro account, their approvals get put through a lot quicker than just a regular account. So that's why I upgraded. I just want to try it out for a little bit and see if it works. But that is it. All right, so that is it. If you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section. And if you got something out of this video, be sure to leave a like, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And until next time, it's your homeboy Wordplay TJ. Peace. And when I wake up, take me home now. Every day I'm staring at the phone now. Yeah. Okay. 3 months gone, hanging on messages. And only adults know what the